Admissions under the Uniform Civil Procedure Rules are an important procedural tool in Queensland litigation that allows parties to formally admit facts or the authenticity of documents, helping narrow the issues that actually need to be determined by the court. Under the Queensland UCPR, admissions are designed to make litigation more efficient by avoiding the need to prove matters that are generally not in dispute. A party may formally admit facts alleged by another party, admit the authenticity of documents, or respond to the notice to admit. Once an admission is made, the admitted fact generally does not need to be proved at trial, allowing the court and the parties to focus on the real issues in dispute. Admissions can arise in several ways. They may be contained in pleadings when allegations expressly admitted, made in response to a notice to admit facts or a notice to admit documents, or in some circumstances be implied where allegations are not properly denied in accordance with the rules. Because admissions can significantly affect the course of litigation, they should never be made without carefully considering their legal consequences. A notice to admit facts is often used to establish straightforward or uncontested matters, such as the authenticity of contracts, correspondence, invoices, photographs, or other documents. If a party unreasonably refuses to admit a fact or document that is later proven at trial, the court may take that conduct into account when making orders about legal costs. As a result, admissions are not just a procedural convenience, they can have important financial consequences. Importantly, admissions are not always permanent. In appropriate circumstances, the court has the discretion to allow a party to withdraw or amend an admission, particularly where it was made by mistake or where allowing it to stand would cause injustice. However, this is not automatic. The courts will consider factors such as the explanation for the admission, any prejudice to the other party, and the overall interest of justice before deciding whether to grant leave. Because admissions can determine what evidence is required, influence litigation strategy, and significantly affect both the costs and outcome of proceedings, they should be approached carefully. Understanding when to make an admission, when to dispute an allegation, and how to respond to a notice to admit facts can have substantial impacts on the efficient and successful resolution of a civil dispute. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced team of commercial litigation professionals, and let us help you protect your rights.